Right, guys,
Turn it to the flash.
right, guys, we're going to see a literal flood that's happening in our town. Yeah, our town looks completely safe now. Just look around our estate, it's fine.
I only thought it's coming out in a long time. I wonder why that massive tractor.
Yeah, I wonder why that's there. So guys, watching me on YouTube, we have to check this out.
Okay, boys.
So all the Pale and Later fans, we have to check this out.
Thank you guys for liking and subscribing.
Right,
We really
look
at the flood.
all right, everyone.
Bad news.
I'm on video here.
Bad news. Oh my god. Jack, I want to tell you something about Ireland.
Look at this.
Wait, bring them closer. Wait, show him the bog. See how this is just normal good grass?
Yeah.
Nah. That is not
Yeah.
grass. Are you YouTubing?
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, come on. Let's just leave because... Let's go!
So we're showing you the flood. Now let's go.
Okay.
Let me see your subscribers. Oh,
Anyway, bye, guys.
I'll show you after the video.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, look. There's also a bit more of it right here. But it's not as big.
up the water.
Yeah. I've been saying the poor people that live in that house.
Yo, bro, come on.
Yeah, but poor people that live in that house.
That was closer.
Yeah, they're just gonna go outside and there's gonna be one massive flood outside.
Disabled.
Oh, that's even worse. But anyway, guys, if you want to see like more outside videos than this, if you want to see more outside videos than this, then do nothing. Bye. Oh my god.
Oh no, weird kid.
It's the weird kid from that one video. Ah, guys, we have to play the Jujutsu Kaisen song, the same song that we were playing before. Anyway, Lee was chasing after us. It'll be I'm animal, of course, and you see.
Okay, let's just run because it's getting kind of cringe.
Yeah.
End the video.
Hi. Look at this entire place. Hey, Cullen, can you jump there? Hunter, come over here.
What are you doing, Cliff? What are you doing?
Hunter, I dare you to jump it in that hole. Hunter, I dare you to jump in it.
This is for the subscribers, okay?
Okay. Go! Move! Colin, move! Move! He's about to run in! He's about to run in! Yes! That's good, Hunter!
This is for you!
Yeah, look, he's doing it again! Wow!
More colourful! This is for you! I'm gonna do this, Cannon Paul, look! Do this!
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what we all want to see!
Hunter! Said this, look, jump in and stay like that. Like this, look.
Oh, this is amazing.
Jump in and go like that.
Hey!
Do it again. Oh God. This time, put your head under.
Cool. And Hunt is jumping in the muddy puddles like Peppa Pig. Muddy puddles. Someone's jumping in muddy puddles. Someone is jumping in muddy puddles.
Oh my god, they don't care about anything.
Oh my god! What has Hunter done to his school clothes?
Oh no, Hunter! Oh wait, I forgot. There's no school tomorrow.
Oh, let's go then.
Hey everyone. And his teacher's training day. You better be wondering, why is that clear water and that was dirty water?
Easy to throw black in the water. So this is overflowing. Look there. There's like a massive river going across my street. Oh guys, he wants to do it again. Whoa!
Hey, can I film? Very good. I won't. I'll give it back. I don't steal phones. So
Yeah,
he doesn't steal phones.
out today. Where's it going? Oh my god! This is for you guys. This is for you guys out there. Nah, what's he doing to his school clothes? Man,
He's crazy.
yeah, I know, man. He's got school on Monday. Look what he's doing to them. Subscribe.
No, it's got wait, what day's after Monday?
Don't look. Tuesday.
Well, we got school.
Sing it for us. Let's listen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the day.
On Tuesday.
Barry, look at me.
Wait, what?
Oh.
You can go to jump in.
Hey, someone. Wait, I have an idea. Let's see how deep this is. Are you filming?
Right, yeah. Look, guys, I'm about to see how deep it is.
Oh, that's deep. Oh, that's very deep. It goes to here.
Guys, all you kids are
That's how deep it is. That's how deep the water is. Look. That's how deep the water is. Look at him. Oh! He's just going inside. He's going inside the thing.
Look, he's actually going inside it. Like, what's he doing? Oh! They're pulling this! Save the world! They're saving the world!
Water's gonna stop pumping now.
I know you're I'm just filming him.
Look,
Hello.
turn around, it's Hunter.
Look, oh.
All the people out there. What is he doing to school clothes? Oh, save everyone! everyone.
No.
Yeah, no, I'll do it. Hello, in this video we have 2 more people that are here we have all these new people to check out the flood. Guys, come and see. Clint's protecting us from a hole. It's completely fine now.
Stop! Can't still record. Look, come on, Zach.
Oh no. What's he doing?
For you guys. Now, let's go. Just kidding! Cannonball! Oh. Follow me.
Guys, let's go. Oh, can I see your face? Oh, damn, man.
That's all you guys.
Man, let's see your face again. Show everyone your face. Hi, guys. It's time here.
By the way, we are not doing this until another flood happens, okay?
Hey, Alex! What do you think of this flood? No. What do you think of this? Everyone watching, look at all this. They're even digging things up. Look. That's all because of this flood. Come over here. Look at all of this. Okay. Oh, look at this.
We're going to remove the gate.
He's removing the grate. Whoa, move the grate. Guys. Everyone, tag me in it. Come on. Okay. This is sick. It's massive, isn't it? Yeah. It goes all the way to over here. It goes all the way here. Look. Oh my.
It's hurricane. Everyone evacuate. Look at that. I'm gonna get sick.
Melina, I think, do you know why this is causing?
Why?
I don't know.
Guys, 3, head stop. Oh my God, that's so deep. Just kidding, guys.
Move it! Hi, Hunter! Jump in it!
Oh my God.
Hunter! Jump in it some more! Oh my God! Oh, look at the number. What's your name on YouTube so they can subscribe to? I'm in shock. This is about the 10th Hunter. You did not miss the final flood survivors. This is part 1. It's going to be a part 3, a part 4, 2, and a part 10. One more time comes out. This is going to be the end of the swimming videos. I promise you guys, we're doing more. Only on floods though. Look what Hunter's doing! No! Everyone look! Hunter! Do it! Oh, I recorded this. Hunter! Yeah, Hunter! Jump up and down! Jump! Give her a hug! Jump up! Give her a hug! Give River a hug! Give River a hug!
I'm a lion. I'm the predator of the prey that is hiding. Oh my, I have found you, nigga.
Anyway, guys.
Let's go. Oh god, that was funny. Because he said so. Yeah. Man, I only got a call. How did this happen?
I don't know, but we used to underway for 5 minutes while we took this figure in here.
Hunter!
Not yet, no.
Hunter, say bye to the camera. Say bye to the video, everyone. Everyone say bye. Everyone say bye. Right. Bye. Bye, everyone. Hunter, say bye to everyone. No, not yet. This is for the viewers. Man, no, bye. Cut. That's the end of the video. I'll see you next time.
Emre's weighted is Hurricane Milton.